here, and today I'm going to show you how to use some herbs and spices to help clean and freshen your teeth and your mouth and eliminate the dependence on sugar-laden sweeteners in gums and breath mints, which do nothing to help your teeth and the health of your mouth and gums. So here we go, let's get started. And I did this in another video. So I have a couple little sage leaves right here, and this is probably one of my favorite remedies. And you just take the leaf and you just do circular patterns on your teeth, and you go through all the teeth, all your teeth. And it tastes really good. And usually when I'm finished, I just eat the sage leaf. So I try to clean my teeth after every meal. And I don't always use my toothbrush, but I do often. And I have a herbal tooth powder, which I will make a video about soon. But sometimes I use homemade mouthwash that I make, or sometimes I do this with the sage, or what else I'm going to show you. So another thing you can do is take a cinnamon stick, and so here's the stick. I break them in half so that you kind of have like an edge that has like, well, I don't want to say it's sharp, but it's just more of a defined edge. And then you can go around and just kind of gently scrape at the gum line and go in between each tooth. And then sometimes just chew on a little bit of it or suck on a little bit of it. And if you have good quality cinnamon sticks, it tastes really good. And they can even be pretty strong and spicy, but this is like a great breath freshener. Then another thing, and I learned this from Dr. Christopher, is, see that there? These are just little cloves, and because he ate so much garlic, I heard in one of his teachings that he would just keep a clove bud in his mouth pretty much all the time. So if you eat a lot of garlic, you'll know that there is a challenge to kind of mask that garlicky taste and smell. So clove is really effective in that. And then the other two things I use are seeds. And this is just a saved glass container. So these are dill seeds. And you can just chew on some dill seeds. Sometimes I give them to my kids. Or I think my favorite seed is fennel seed. And it tastes sweet like licorice. And I often do this. Or like I'll have fennel seeds in my purse or in my car. And then if I'm going somewhere and I want to freshen my breath, and you know, if I've eaten something, I know that the chemical properties in the seeds, just like in the herb, will be released when I'm chewing and just make your mouth a lot cleaner and healthier. So right now, my mouth feels pretty good. I've just rubbed my teeth with sage, chewed some cinnamon and clove, and I'm definitely spicy, fresh and spicy. So before you go, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, like, and make a comment. All those things help this channel grow, and if you like my videos, it would be great if you could help me grow this channel. So thanks a lot, and come back again.